Hi guys, this is Sampath from Intandemly. I'm sure all of you guys are getting geared up for 2020. So as I was working out today, there's one hack that I wanted to try myself. That's the New Year hack. I thought, we should be making a list of all the prospects that we got in touch in 2019. Not customers, but prospects. And that would be step number one. Step number two would I would make an Excel sheet with all the prospects' name in one column and another column the connect that I had with them, the topic of discussion that I had with them that I can recollect. Once that is done, the third step would be to make a personalized video to each and every prospect, wishing them a happy new year and also thanking them for the connect that we had. So it can be as simple as a video like this. Hey Rahul, this is Sampath. We connected in March this year discussing about blockchain. I would like to wish you a happy new year and thank you for a meaningful connect. A simple video like that can actually build a very strong base for you with that prospect in 2020. Try this hack out and let me know if it works for you.